Hi sewing friends, my name is Alice Murray. Welcome to my channel Murr-made Designs, where I show you garments, lots of garments. And this week we have been having a good fun time because we have been doing our COVID Comfortable Capsule Wardrobe. And this is the last piece. Let me recap with my high-tech thingy. We have seen a short sleeve t-shirt, a floral short sleeve t-shirt, a floral long sleeve t-shirt, a pair of blue leggings, a pair of black joggers, a dress that you could also wear as a duster robe cardigan, a zip-up jacket, which is lovely, and last but not least is a button-up shirt. I will show it to you and then we'll talk. I kind of love it. And let me tell you something crazy about it. The fabric is home decor fabric. And I got it in a box of used clothes. It's obviously left over from a project. And I think it makes a lovely shirt. It's kind of thick and shiny. I put salmon colored buttons on it so that kind of goes with the floral things. Why does it matter if it goes with the floral things, you might say? Well, I think this is a top that can also be a topper. It is NewLook 6561. This pattern comes with a kind of a super long version with pockets, and on me, like it was a shirt dress, really. And I might make it as a shirt dress, but the pockets are kind of low on me. But yeah, very long version. Shorter version. This is the version I made, though I didn't put the pockets on it. And I'll show you the line drawings because well, for one thing, a pattern piece went missing. The back yoke, I could not find it. And it has a pleat in the back, and I have already determined the shape of me does not like pleats in the back. It just makes me look too round. So I wasn't going to put the pleat in the back, and when I couldn't find the yoke, I just took this back piece, put the front piece over top of it, and extended it up to make the back, and then had to take a kind of a tuck at the top to make it fit the collar. Also, another thing I want to show you is it has cuffs at the end of the sleeves, which went on nicely. I suppose you could wear them down if you wanted. I added bust darts, and I added fisheye darts in the back. And the back was one piece, but without the pleat in it, it was a little wide. So I took like a seam down the middle of it and kind of curved it in at the back. The thing about this home deck material is it's kind of stiff. So yeah, I didn't want to have too many darts, but I wanted it to have some shape. And I am pairing it with the leggings, and I made a headband to match the leggings. Yeah, so I kind of love it. It was kind of fun. Oh, the other problem I had with it is you can't really tell so much in the model. You can tell a little bit, but if you look closely at the line drawings, it has a drop shoulder. And I have also determined drop shoulders that they really don't suit me, that they make me look too like this, like a football player. So I put a pin at the peak of my shoulders, put the sleeve on it to get the right curve, and trimmed off, an inch and a half on each side, and put the sleeves in so that they are right at my shoulder instead of drop shoulder. And again, I think with this home deck material, it's kind of stiff, and yeah, that would have been a bad look. A very bad look that would have been. So I have to apologize and celebrate. This is the 7th piece. You may notice you are watching it later than 7 a.m. That, yeah, it was midnight-ish when I got it done last night. And my dear husband was sleeping, and he didn't, couldn't video it then. So this is coming to you later than usual, because I am kind of running on the seat of my pants. But I'm glad I got it done. Very grateful for that. And I am going to do one more video. I'm going to try to do one more video. If you see one more video, you'll know I succeeded. But last time I did a capsule wardrobe. I did a winter capsule wardrobe. People asked, couldn't you please do a video and show us all the different variations? And with this one, because this top can be a topper, the dress can be a topper, I think I could almost get 30 outfits out of this. And so I'm going to try that. If technology and I can come to some sort of civil agreement, I will achieve it. And I will show you what the 7-piece COVID Comfortable Capsule Wardrobe has for possibilities. And yes, in my grateful thread today, I try to think of something different and new every day, but something that it's not different and new, but I just have to mention it again, is how awesome you people are, that you watch, you give me feedback, you give me inspiration, you give me ideas, and I just love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you so much for coming along on this. It's kind of it's crazy. What I'm doing here is crazy. So much sewing. But thank you so much for coming along. I appreciate you very much. I'm going to quit rambling now. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. See you again soon.